appointed as your leader and as Prime Minister to make sure that the Conservative message of unity, of one United Kingdom, whole, integral, safe and secure, will be one that we carry across the country, that generates trust, rebuilds unity, and transforms our country for the better. Thanks, Liz Truss. Liz.